everyone, I'm Mike Ryan, Kimpton's Director of Bars. Tonight we're bringing you the first in our series of virtual social hours, where you can grab yourself a drink, learn something new from the experts on our beverage team, and share in a cocktail experience while others are tuning in at home. In 1981, Bill Kimpton opened his first boutique hotel in San Francisco. And every night, he would grab a glass of Chianti and sit by the fireside and invite employees and guests to sit with him for a chat. This has evolved into our social hour, where every night from 5 to 6 p.m., all of our Kimpton hotels pour wine, swap stories, and get to know one another. Tonight, we're going to talk about the Negroni. About 100 years ago, Count Camillo Negroni walked into his local bar, and he asked the bartender to make him his favorite cocktail, the Americano, but he wanted a little bit more heat to it. So he asked the bartender to swap the soda water for gin. The cocktail is 3 ingredients. It's all equal parts. It starts with sweet vermouth. Buy some good quality stuff. Buy it in a half bottle if you can. Keep it capped. Keep it in the fridge. You're going to pour about an ounce of that. Next up, we've got Campari. It's a bitter Italian liqueur, fairly intense on its own, but when paired with gin and sweet vermouth, elevates the cocktail to something truly extraordinary. Third ingredient is gin. Personally, I prefer London dry style. It's got a lot of bold black pepper-like background. You kind of get what you pay for. Now, if you've got a fancy mixing glass and a fancy bar spoon, definitely time to bust those out. If all you've got is a mason jar and a chopstick, that's okay too, because you're in good company. If you have some ice, grab your chopstick. Thank you, Rex. Give your cocktail a stir. Final ingredient is some orange. You need just the peel. You can express the zest of that peel into your cocktail, drop that in, and serve. Enjoy.